Hi, my name is Caitlin Richardson, and I will be doing my lesson today over geometry on a kindergarten level. This lesson will focus on your basic 2D shapes like circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. This lesson will be best performed in a small group, and I'll be focusing on the exploration process of this lesson. So I would begin this lesson by first showing my students examples of the four main shapes, and then discussing with them what characteristics are and what they look like on each one of these shapes, as well as how to identify them throughout their everyday life. I would then segue into our small group setting and have the students in their centers. At the teacher's table, I would use Play-Doh to help the students better have an understanding of the concept of shapes. So I would begin this activity by telling them that I'm going to describe a shape to them and ask them to identify that shape for me. So my explanation would be, this shape has 3 points and 3 sides. What shape do you think I'm describing? Students should be able to then tell me this is a triangle that I'm speaking about. And from there, we would then identify triangles around the room. So I would have students walk around with pointers and show me examples of at least 1 or 2 triangles in the room. Whether this be examples that are on my board or just different areas in the room. So from there, I would then have students create that shape for me out of Play-Doh. So they would take their Play-Doh and roll it into what a 6-year-old might explain as a snake, and then build the shape for me. So your student should be able to manipulate this Play-Doh into each one of the shapes. You might have to help them to do this and make sure that they have it correct. Theirs should then look something like this for that particular shape. You would repeat this same process with your other shapes as well. From there, you can quiz your students on the shapes, and this can be very informal. You could have your students draw these shapes on a piece of paper or a whiteboard in the same manner that you did, describing the characteristics of the shape and then having them show you what that looks like and tell you the name of that shape. So that is my lesson. Thank you so much.